I think we are delivering another crash course. So I want to make sure you guys know this. This crash course is significantly important to go through them, understand them. It is not like you're kind of the teaching. It's like the whole purpose of the connecting dots, like how we do the big things. Okay, that's the whole purpose. So understand the purpose why you are here, like how the developer as you will be connecting the different thing, different component, how you will be going through the challenges and how you'll overcome the challenges, and how you become frustrated when things are not working. That's the purpose of the crash course. But very soon, the every Saturday or Sunday, we're going to do the release, the show and tell. Okay, so release show and tell is the entire week. The development team, entire development, the app team and the web team, anything we make the changes, everything will be on the staging, and we'll be going through each of the issues in front of you, and you'll be learning all the details. And then in front of you, we'll be pushing to the production. So it is the materials or the contents for the Marnis Tech student, quality student, and the DevOps engineer. So all three will be actually covered by the release show and tell. So it will be weekly release show and tell, the mobile app, the portal, the branch, companies, and all other application we work will be actually the showing you entire week journey. That's our goal is coming soon. Thank you.